Hello everyone, the Vintage Vegan here. So, crazy thing, my camera is broken after I recorded all of the DIY footage. It broke, and it said the card was memory, like, was full or something, but it wasn't because I deleted everything. But anyways, I'm gonna finish on here. This is like crazy. Oh! This is like crazy because it's on my phone. I like really don't record on here, and like plus like the glare on my glasses is horrible right now. But anyways, this is going to be a collab with Tiny Vintage Diaries. If you haven't already heard of her channel, definitely, I will leave it down below. Definitely go check it out. And without further ado, let's get right into this lovely, creative environment of DIYs. Let's go. For this first DIY project, I am using this ribbon that I got off of AliExpress. If you want this specific ribbon, I will try to link it down below if I can find it. But I am just hot gluing this to my already pre-painted fan from the Dollar Tree, and I just use spray paint from Walmart. It's very inexpensive. And yeah, just hot glued that and trimmed off the excess. I just wanted to quickly show you that this was the before, and then this is the after. I also added a feather flower with a rhinestone in the middle, and then these are some of the other projects, so stay tuned if you want to learn how to make them. For project number 2, I came across this very unique picture frame from Savers. It was very inexpensive, I think about like $3.99, and so I'm just painting this with a pastel pink color. You can do a couple coats if you want. I know you're not going to find this exact picture frame, but if you find something like it, then definitely pick it up if it's at a good price. I went ahead and printed these Marie Antoinette pictures off of Pinterest. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut them out, and then once I'm done, I'm going to Mod Podge them onto the backing of the picture frame. And if you're using a picture frame like I did, you want to make sure that the frame doesn't cut off or show any parts that like isn't the picture, and you'll see at the end of the video that I completely forgot to do that on the bottom one in the middle. And for the 2 top circles in the frame, I printed out 2 slices of cake, which I found in the app PixArt, which I will leave down below, and I saved them to my phone to print out together. Just a quick tip. I am now ready to assemble my project, and this is the final result. Project number 3 is a Marie Antoinette themed jewelry box. I have this jewelry box hanging around the house and just thought I would give it a makeover. I painted it a pastel blue, and I printed out the same Marie Antoinette photos from Pinterest, and I cut them all out. So right now I'm trying to decide where I want to place everything. You always want to pre-place things before, like, you put the Mod Podge and glitter and everything down, and then you change your mind because it's going to be hard to get it up, and that won't be good. So I'm just pre-placing everything, and then I'm going to place some Mod Podge down and stick everything down. I did end up changing my mind where I placed the bow later, so that's why I'm saying just like make sure you know what you want to do. Before you Mod Podge the top of your photo, I'm just spraying some hairspray to the top and then cooling that down, let it dry, and then put a layer of Mod Podge. This just makes it so that the photo from your printer doesn't bleed everywhere. You know what I mean? To add a little bit of royalty to this jewelry box, I am just placing down these golden sticker letters that I found from Michael's. You can find them pretty much at any craft store, and I just wrote out the word cake. You can add all sorts of embellishments and flowers, floral trim around the jewelry box to the top. Just go all out or just make it simple. It's totally up to you. And then for the knobs on the jewelry box, I just place little tiny pearls in the middle just to break up the color so it wasn't just so flat and blue. You can add glitter if you would like, or even I don't know, whatever floats your boat. And once everything is done, this is the final result. I really love how this one came out. So I know I was only supposed to do 3 DIYs for this collaboration, but I thought I would, add in a couple more. Why not? I think I have 5 total for this video. I could be wrong. But the next DIY project is my absolute favorite. This is just so feminine and Victorian, girly. I just love it. I thought I would spray paint a picnic basket that I just had laying around, and I spray painted it white, and then I'm just painting these wooden letters that I got from the Dollar Tree, a pastel blue color. You can do any color that you would like, but I think the blue really goes with the Marie Antoinette theme. And I just spelled out, "Let them eat cake." And once everything is dry, I am just hot gluing the letters down. And you want to be extra careful that you place everything correctly, so definitely pre-place before everything. Every project, always pre-place and pre-plan what you're going to do. To add a touch of glam and to kind of make it not so flat of a project, I'm taking my Mod Podge and going over the painted letters with, I just said Mod Podge. I'm so tired right now, don't mind me. But I'm just taking my Mod Podge, going over the letters, and just adding some glitter. You can use whatever kind of glitter, but I really like the, what's it called? Opalescent glitter. I really love opalescent. I love that word, opalescent. And then to the top of this project, I just added a ribbon scarf that I had laying around. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and all of the DIYs that I put together for you all. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm actually thinking about making a series, maybe posting every Friday on things that I find and just like recreating them, making them look cute, girly again, making them look put together. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to follow all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual. And I will see you guys in my next lovely video. Oh, and don't forget to check out Tiny Vintage Diaries. Like, her videos are bomb.